Sise by the bakutura Kitara TV sise president tukuramukizo na halo she's busy akole exam.
Akiaso.
Kusoma kuganga. Kusoma kuganga. So we have Atokina Miss Talent. How was it?
Oh, Miss Bunyoro.
Nkakora katemba ya mani. Abanganye banyabanyasi banyasowezo banye katemba bweka nyuma muno kahingura. Alo agera nagongera mnagamba baitwe. Nagongera.
Banyaga nagongera mu.
Nango. Kyalero nchuire mu kwikara gati abasajja babiri.
Uratusobora.
Barandokesa muno nkukwata gobulyo.
Noranyo twizi. Twino twizi twensora amaraga tusaba kagirazi.
Nsabiregera maizi baganyibiregera.
No bajja kuletera munsondo bakagatekama.
Nikaliye no musajja mpungu amoti.
Oikaire no tusaba tukuletera amoti nawo.
Amoti.
But neti tuliba neti tuliba amoti abaki oino okwawukaniza mbasaija. We want to say no to okwawukaniza mbasaija.
Please don't talk about that thing. Muramu bazao. Mujja kontandika kundetera notandika kukwezika byengozi katandika ga amoti wangu linka bajonda so nyo bisajja bibiri binyikagire.
Tunene makazi nakama.
Akazi nakama.
Tukara performances zawe.
Miss Talent.
Or no performing.
And we want to use yours also for Bunyoro's Got Talent.
Bunyoro's Got Talent. I'm there by the way. Whoever wants to acting, I do vocal training.
Linda. Banzo here abantu amageza bakwetagire kuba to win or to be like Miss Talent.
Talent. You must master your art. Kandi waraja notina bajaji bakuba okuba oja kusemba okwatu kwenda kula content yo.
I feel today tunakuba zali talent. Today mulingo
tutakabaliza talent mama moti wange kamtima. Sita tima yani.
But na nkale have your time.
Amoti. Oh. Amoti. Amanyo ko
tumuterese mtu kakasara kugonga
we are too, I don't know, it's a ngozi ituzo tutukio steka mkutukani moliteka mkutulikulika.
Miss Talent, what do you have to say yali share kaho ya Edikenzo Festival, the first of its kind?
The first of its kind. Honestly, I've been.
Yeah, bazini abairo Kampala City Carnival sort of.
I've been too busy on Miss Bunyoro things. I've not followed up on Edikenzo's because I think it overlapped the same day.
No.
Miss Talent. But the first was the very same day.
Bokuruga mu Miss Bunyoro you ite tutabirole tukabirora hana kandi we analyze.
Internet na take ya rubata. There was analysis singu amuntu yajuze cricket over kusinga wakorora bukuba wakajuza just akantu katito muno. I don't know whether you saw that example. Nigorika cricket over ini nwaji nigorika na anka na Edikenzo.
Kyonka mazima gali bantu basajja bakirana. Kino ko musajja mpo. Basajja bakirana. So why?
Mna bituro batibingana.
Tibingana umwana mutasangwa ine kiyaye.
I don't know what's come to bay muno.
Bituro bingana.
Biona bingana. It is always 2 by 6.
Sibisana.
Bingana but sibisana.
Tokuro. Mbageni kyabazala moti wange. Ama moti guma I don't know. In fact, when it comes to flattening, it is too much. Lero, we've come to talk about to kubaza her talents. Manager Julia Sabda tukole akomeda Facebook how. Basajja mpungu. Mama amoto tukole.
Nyokole bintu byona bikora.
Byono bikora. Nyoki akugwa mubyona. I love music. I do choreographies. Dramas. I do writing. I direct. I also love production when it comes to drama.
And yes, script writer.
Yeah, I do writing. Currently,
you are the best at what? Your government in
best writing.
Writing scripts.
Yeah.
And
directing. That's what I love most.
Because scripts.
Because what do you
any genre as long as media. Media scripts now.
Because you have to be specific. Your garden, I mine minerals, but the mineral I mine is gold. Typical. So I love writing Hati Bunyoro. We are the best at developing campaigns. Like you to tell. You know that. Bunyoro campaigns. Most of the campaigns is Okurora. It is from the Kitara Media Group. The best tourism campaigns, health campaigns, other campaigns. If we all meet about campaigns to Banka, Hansi to Zoka, but you man, one of our rapid board zones is singers Kaja. Because we own all the models Bunyoro had. That's the Kitara Media Group. So Eke was so correct to Teza. Then Oja Kwesanga, aloho omwana ondi akusobola directing music videos only take taps over. No documentaries. Like Bulimuntu when in a number of you cannot be everywhere.
I'm not everywhere.
I didn't get a wizard.
Drama.
Yeah, film and stage.
Stage drama.
Yeah, currently what is finished is called Yaka Masanyaras.
Gagenzirenka.
It's entabukaine z'abantu like tukusharing amasanyalazi iyo tokwenda kusasula ona ina sente nyingi kwesiganganiza itwera turu mukasta ina sente.
Why do you think stage drama mo teted apparently kangambe bunyorotero tugambe mistalent makagunu ni wora kitandikisa
stage drama by the way
Tero, do you realize it's to gain
the room and kimanye stage directing or stage acting production, it needs more creativity when it comes what yo props setting kuleta kugenda kuimukia kuleta amatara garahindwa kuiha kuleta ekiro ukateka omusana ukateka enjura negwa the lighting and everything tukatungie nanga theater we don't have
biona bili no musento maybe a lack of facilitation and resources
we don't have money kyonka mpora
tuhandikia ka propose tuhandikia ka propose
egyo nyango
tuhandikia ka propose tunanke tusabe milioni kazinga
ati koroti tunura mukamere egyo because Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom has no business apart from Ekiombe Kike Inekyo. So tell them to invest in theater. Olo.
Talent we have.
Introduce yourself. You're Miss Talent. I call upon BKK. We them investing what?
BKK.
Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom.
Oh. Amo tarifu. Kali nyizie kusaba abo abakutora Kimanye how kanguka. Okay, I've come requesting whoever is watching.
Take a comedy. Ade okamura a stage ali omulingo yabaga wena na bazina gambati abakubaza ntimbo kubano baza orujungu mbo mama obomo akiriwe kandi ebyete byane bikubaza ntingo orunyoro kandi orunge orugumire mbe byana bidoma I need you to Basa, komu hikirwa baha watching program mugerwa awatching program zaitu abantu bona abagata bona bakora kiba watchinga
mukanga itu
nizire kusaba kuleto kusaba kwa
oizirenga no ruganga
niwo ha
ngire kangame ndugiro muka
awajaka
ndugiro muka ya Kitara TV kuraike iraka lyange no kusaba kwange kubikya abagatu atwa
n'obukama
bona okutwaliza hamu n'enganjani za Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom n'enganjani za Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom omuhikirwa wa Bunyoro Kitara
Oweirembo
Nkwego Runyoro mundaruga hano njya kuba nimbazo Runyoro foke Bunyoro ajuyire
atoli kichweka
nkyali kina kichweka ko kimkyakana
awaki
well
duli mikiro kwekakasa nolo tukubazi
English
tandika
I've come
from where
from home
you have come from
ndugire pakanyi omukyalo ekibakweta kitengo
tandika like tandika obagambi bayira bokama ba Bunyoro Kitara ninyona nkana nanka nko basaba kibalo nti nishire ayabuka
A humble request to the kingdom of Bunyoro Kitara, the friends, the well-wishers of Bunyoro. I've come to request my seat with a humbled heart. At least we get a theater whereby we shall be showcasing different talents such as the drama, stage plays. I remember when I was still a little kid, my grandpa used to tell me about
actually Julius onuka muchwa kalimi alekinde kindozere that people should learn like abantu mwina kwega. If I'm coming to offer you business, I don't have to humbly request you because I'm showing you a path. Okateka business to get more money. So nkolekezo muhanda. If I'm coming to Bubukuba Ningenda together now like us to Ego campaign yet travel to Bunyoro, we cannot humbly go to hotels and we be like we humbly request
you to be part of
it.
No, it is like the other time we tried to agenda shooting in a program on my hotel Zago to the Kubesengi that say no way.
This is business. I like in the communication.
Yes, communication.
About consumer to consumer, business to consumer, business to business. So communication is yaukana. Business to consumer aja kukwata mpora because oina sentence. Business to business, we are in the same kitty. Whether a bigger business and I'm small, it's only the whole part is money. If I tell you ngenda kuleta little argument saying I think obokura hotels omlingo zikane zitusaba little argument saying to bikole mu hotels zabo they do not humbly request, they be like mwije like
they are giving us a place like shelter
this time round,
but also in the long run to kubaranga na
this time round allow me request for the reason
don't request
gamba
obukama tukwetaga a theater here and this is how the logistics are going to be run
because even
then obukama buja invest in $1 million bitano they have the money
yes
$1 million bitano then we have to find a way of paying back that money
not even paying obukama bugitandika nka business
yes
people will come to hire the theater abaina projects ezembaka ntandiki sentence zigendaka ombuka so nyomba is just a business idea obukama you get tikulinti
just the mkono creating out employment opportunities
okay
bagambe
enganja za Bunyoro
enganja niziraha
gamba
obukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom
mutandike oba muombeke mukole
bubako batrakishobola you are these people can hire
private individuals abantu in the center zabo
ati here we do digital strategies we strategize. If you come with a business utakumanya mulingo gwokikora actually you've worked last week this guy who came around na aina sente akuruga heru but tugira service egyo and Kitara Media, you know Kitara Media group nkota muno ina Kitara TV ina mke about 5-6 media ina bintu bingi muno ina hamu Uganda Him Studios bio na biro teneko so gaya kaida aina sente ze but takumanya tandikirenka But us, we do business survey, we do business analysis. Nitukora computer analysis into Gamba. But one in that business segment specifically, we can run computer analysis for you. Into Gamba, make it here to hidden. Alimentary zipsana ziti, okuzira bamoti, oti. You get? Now, Saba Abantabo sent, they have money and they need business. But they passed a budget of 7.5 billion.
Okay.
They have money, so 500 million to invest in the business is not money, but servicing.
Oh, kama Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom, nizile kuleta ndesere ekiteso kyange. Ekihanu kyange ha theater, national theater. Tukietenka
Bunyoro theater.
Aba
Kitara theater.
Kitara nangu. Bunyoro theater. Currently our program eja kwa nitandika mwaka ukuija eringa bakwezi amba Africa ekuteranza ba all actors, musicians, all the professionals Bunyoro. But how are we going to benefit from it? Tuina kwanza kwele kutunga na mbaitu abatumyabo kwa bajakwa ni waetaga gigs zao ni waziteka Bunyoro. But na mbaitu atungira muka butwa twine kyombeko kyaitu twatwina okubapangisiza nikileta nkaito abakama kandi naito twabantu saba tubagambe balete ebintu bikwataga na abukama okwatusigalire muno the last there's a lesson that
space twina nkobukama space twina
amataka gaingi
twina
abataka gaingi ye family yananga yakitalite kutwa itaka akiri kikwata biki
we have a lot of
mwangumire twina itaka lingi kuli
so no kama we itaka even we can even use the
you know that the social zone ezikusinga zibazobuka
we have a lot of land ngobukama
but I need to there's something I noticed kyamkaga kihoire finals za magari abazabaire zero I realized into kama baitu kukulakinga mu kumobilizing akurungia abantu but they have the money center bazina boko I think yamtene kaba million na 20 million asat for nankazi obugari but I realized something into they're lacking some bit of mobilization abukubek I know I'm sure even a mistake to like mayaka babo mpaka zobugari
nyazuraga ni kondira
but aruna batakimanyirire they have not known about it baraga biringa
zobugari
nibyo bikiye
you get Julius have to know issues with it. The first thing here is obukama kwenda kweraningira ebintu
exactly
obukama mukwetaka kweraningira ebintu you want to give 30 activities to one minister. This is a minister atali employed mu bukama honka ngobora minister wa government it is like they have you are now employed akikalekyo
but even if you are employed even if you are employed akikalekyo you need a team. Because I've seen, to be specific, I've seen Minister of Information Nanka Francis.
Yet we have digital agencies.
Julius, now
we have TV and media here. You get so the minister nagena mu WhatsApp group
Mugara Francis has shared Mugara Francis. Is it into your just selfish? You don't want to give out this money people to help you out with the work?
The good thing it took Similo Kama. They have passed bids this time. Kada I think I to Majira media group
pressing a bid
bid is so because no one beats us in this game. If you look at documentaries produced if you look at Akira media production
we are the best strategists here. And you see, because of their selfishness, because I was talking to some of the personalities, the sponsors, and that very day. Because a company like MTN Novako sponsoring, they expect you to organize and bring a crowd of people. But when you bring about just chukumi bibiri.
So
next year sponsoring a kasente
let's write a proposal.
You get that is why you are
no, we don't need to write a proposal. Right now we have to work with the kingdom because the kingdom has enough. Kingdom make yokoro. No wakwani wenda saha nyenkia DFC etaisemi ni 10 kikubanguhira So the kingdom, we can use the name of the kingdom, and the kingdom works with us, the private individuals. Nikyo kugambire bids latest to placing ile zona zigenda koraki zigenda kuraba. We are blessed for bids. Nite aba media hato haja tukira media
ICT.
Nite abalo ICT, we are the ones. Last time we sent them emails, they are telling us emails zabo they were hacked and what. We have storage and backing up systems. We have website design management. Website design and management. All our customers.
Digital marketing. Do you know that very day? That very day I checked in the official page of Ukama. They are even any update of
Iyo kimanyile a website bikume website zone no customer has ever complained.
Tonka mazima gali tugarukire yoga. We have a poor marketing strategy. Bunyoro at large.
It is no.
You need a brand that deals with building and nurturing talents? I introduced to you a super recording studio. Washer Records got you covered. You need audio production, audio mixing and mastering. We are the game. Songwriting, business adverts, video production, mention it. We are the best. Don't look anywhere, but get us in Kijungu, Hoima, or make a phone call on +256 772 234604. Washer Records, your dream sounds destination.
Have you heard of travel to Bunyoro?
I've had
that campaign.
Namanya kihi.
Aha, ukakilaka.
Ukakila nanga little arguments.
Exactly.
Now, no, you gamba marketing strategies. Let me ask you. Okay, let me just ask you about whatever. You know my daughter Kumanyisa.
Oshante. Tukaba aukabenyi boha. Na Maria itrainile na band.
No, before that ukabuta mmanyi.
Nkabanta mmanyi. Nyonga genda kumanya manager Julius nyana manya muhira muntu umanyire.
But have you realized the power of media?
Yeah, social media.
Okay, how did you get to know Kitara TV?
I got to know Kitara TV. YouTube.
YouTube. Yes. Because we have invested in our time even in marketing. People can know, they know Kitara TV.
Obukama has a lot of content.
It has too much.
Obukama buina content nyikankoleke. Every week Obukama buba na programs. Nikyo tuwagambire, not even on radio. Programs ngoboro programs. Now who cover the Obugali?
Yes.
Now nikyo tuwagambire
even in Mbungu Mbungu zana.
Exactly. Omugatwa Mugerwa. Ni what journalists wana ICT and media. Tineko. Allow platform here. We have a platform. These people can do a weekly report of Obukama. Because our TV is to serve Bunyoro. Okay, take it. So we don't mind all we want is to korera abanyoro. But you see, actually the funny thing is people go there. And the kingdom you don't know me, the minister of I don't know you. But now
you see,
you wait.
I just think these guys are just selfish. And I'm told there is by a group that's what I think, because to you don't want to work with people who can help you out. Like an activity in Magari, making sure all media, whatever, and so that even the MTN, the official sponsors, but very overwhelmed into next year, because you have the ability mobilizing people.
Hati, look at this. We have about 1,000 social media, 1,000 influencers in your hand. Influencers, when I talk about influencers, we're talking about brands. I want to have money. People who have at least 1,000 people have money. Do you know I have 1,000 people money? Julius? Can I have money? Julius? Yeah. Now, these people are supposed to pass a budget of at least 500 social media influencers.
Okay.
To just repost. Or retweet.
No, let me even give you an example. Omanyira waki produce message ya simani Moses project kuri watamu. bagenzere batunga abantu betwetesoko de betukweta ba media strategists ba influencers babateka akasente iyo last year Frank Agashumba wouldn't even speak for ekintu kyona ekirungi ali government na speaking on the positive things that are going but now you get no like no
we have done things for free for Botenye Bunyoro ate ekyo atuwo kyotakibaza.
No, let me ask you.
Because to Bunyoro
let me ask you. Even Kitara TV, who pays Kitara TV? Who pays us?
YouTube.
Watching the video on YouTube. Who can give us money to YouTube?
I don't know your team report here.
The first of all, the numbers on YouTube, Facebook, internet,
Ogenzere Hara. Ali Hasho N. We are 3 people abaikali lekon. There is a team Munta setting the light. Guitar you saw the person
cameras.
Then you saw the Nanka, the productions manager. Then programming wekuwa ina kutunga editor. Wekuwa bagediting ina kutunga post producer. Already just saw abantu batano.
Koraburungi wensi.
That's what I'm telling you.
Who pays these people?
Who pays all those people?
Yet you are doing content.
Yes,
that zeal and the love for the kingdom should pay you.
For how long? But those people are getting money to do things. Those people are getting money to do these things.
Yes.
Bunyoro is supposed to have a campaign for its tourism, but Dora these people did visit Bunyoro campaign and they built a website about 2 to 3 years ago. You have seen our campaign it was you people every time you type so or a payoff. Talk to just Nimugamba, Nimungamba, waiting up for graphics. Me, I do graphics. And I don't even believe I'm the best graphic designer in your hand. But I do not do graphics because they take a lot of time than I earn. So I pay off someone.
Can I write my application to the kingdom? And they employ
what?
Employment.
As long as they won't employ you.
I think
show them strategy over Gambe. You're investing in more theater. You are the senior lead.
And let me tell you,
theater.
You see, Lola, at even like field your drama. Let me say theater. Hano, do you know people are complaining? Do you know it is because you know why? Because it's the theater by the
of drama and music actually.
Theater, drama, music. Into every day you listen to 80% of the music in Uganda. Actually
no. We have Nikyonga Bekta Media Group just we have the Uganda Hymn Studios. Uganda Hymn Studios egira the hymn project the first of its kind. Together kwa tugaruka bizina bya hymns byona. Do you know why? Tikirintinge bizina could be preserving and these songs are there and they will be preserved. But because these songs are not on radio, these are songs abantu bawuliriza every day. No, hymns of
dancehall.
No, so when we put them on media, Kingdom where we wrote to them, Bagenda is a center, and I believe but it's a center. Of course, we shall also let the people know. So yes, so because when we put them on radio, be passing the budget of marketing. People are going to be listening to these songs every day because they contain original Bunyoro. That is one way. Tukakora, I found guys in Bakora Muka Awards. This is Stuart Woods. These guys, their strategy is they do not just give awards. Ntingu, best video director there. No. Because people are directing off where our already culture can be preserved through media. So Ojakosanga only are directing a kizina a modern way. Na nituwepo traditions zaitu. Have you seen that Chinese they never bobaba evobarwa ile mu movies zao they prepare herbs for themselves. That is the way of selling there.
Nanyo sazen by the sale we are on the Metonga Kore or see or we is kingdom work take a money monomo media and music. Timani kunyumizaba omuka awards zao. For them bajagamba, the theme of this year is about kwerinda her health. So abaja kuba as best female artist baja kuba niba bakozi revizina ebiri about that campaign. Abaja kuba bali ba best video director niba baja kuba directing videos eziri ha by the way my campaign was all about cultural festival in Bunyoro.
Tuinempango.
Yeah. That's it's all about coronation. Mkambia na jumbure ngoma tino.
Kana ti Tuinempango is a big festival Bunyoro hano. Actually Empango is the biggest festival in Uganda hano. But
yes,
oiro takino mais promotion ya yune ya kuze
kubura.
Cultural festival.
But tuyaki. Aroro fumure mbanje ndakoleta bali kujenga kamanzi abasajja bano tubaleke bata sobora kona azaga baito bojo bweyitaki
no nyowe kusa kutwara here. One, the first thing you need to know, the kingdom cannot come next. The kingdom alho abantu abe respectinga habo kutabaza iyo kimanyire nyowe I even know abaraguzi ababunyoro Kitara, and I will tell you when ababito bakuga hango.
Camera please first.
So when butuba twizire mu bintu ebiri siria tiwa mukutina, especially njo bagamba owamana ntakoraki
so
tasobya tisobeze
kanja sawa kiganyibi
Kiaki.
I'm not even sorry.
I cannot be sorry. You saw there is Bakasindika who? This I've seen the kingdom. It comes out and it does politics. Actually, in Songa Imbagenda was out Nyaiwa. Do you know why people did not participate more in this run of or even in Pango run and anything? Do you know why? Do you know why people participated more in Bunyoro Kitara diocese activities? Buyabane kemya katana.
Yasinga nanaka yasinga no come.
Do you know why?
You see,
no.
It is churches have made us think that we belong to them.
No, like
nijo kimuno bukama.
Like a kanisa ikugamant enu kanisa yao.
Yao. No bukama boy.
Bukama boy.
Eno manyira bakatoliki bagamba.
It's belong to the kingdom. Ntamunyoro kandi.
Ati Borana belonging to the kingdom.
Na abakatoliki bagamba ekereziya nyina itwe. So you believe that the church is your mother. So obukama if they don't want to involve us, they are alienating us. Ndati kiabu wonka.
Julius, I told you to Bahire 2 years. One reason why this name had never surfaced, and it would have not surfaced, Mbandwa Mpungu would not have surfaced. But the name of Asanja Mpungu is not a joking name. We gave these people 2 years. Mugenda kurora Bunyoro neterekera. Alaya babuize hano nyamugamba linda ho.
And by the way, obukama buli bukabutaina sente, but apparently we were not obukama buina sente and nyingi. Use that money and bring it back to the people.
It is okay because we can develop a church strategy. That is society.
But even
we can give Obukama sent.
But even no it is just even lack of strategies.
You have seen what churches are doing. Nyonga kugamba baraising ngegesa hazino bakateka abantu babi abakotage motoka ye billionaire bakagamba bishop wekanisa na omukama. Do you know people bajakwanga kuhereza omukama esete because they are thinking abagatwa bajja kulya sentes?
Ati is
transparency.
Transparent and twina na makanisa genga gombekerwa ga billions za sente ati like kanisa ya kakade kanisa zabo just abantu benyini basonda sente
ati David Kinga ina abantu bayinga David Kinga ina abantu abatakuka bisatu
you can't tell me
David Kinga ina abantu abatakuka bisatu rundi bitatu but okuro mulingo go kumbeke you get so here in Bunyoro we have millions
baleta kaivo tutandika kusoroza sente zokombeka nanga
kombeka
kuteka osente
you see
tugenda kombeka theater yona I will not do a role of a father in Julius's home aloho
tukuta bagamba nagawote ilo
no nyakugamba I will not be a father in Julius's home
iyo kuzisoro
kama bwina sente and they have administration
kwikiriza mu kwa sente
empako yanga tu manyanga kimu unkakuteka oka
ayo yura banenda kufera
kiri simple okukama burani bwina tutoleze sente butayina budoma administration simple
bubu sense nene
do you know why manyire wakimaka mnanga Charles Maiga ya Rosia tozitafala abantu people are believing in him
exactly Charles Maiga
and the day they started kumtera mwe bituli the campaign ya itafari
you would say amasa zabo naija ati ni boja batuka babagaba ingi
oli na ura na nikimukwata ugamba ati bamusomenta hayo na
itafari
iyo manyire kuba nanyokura nto Bunyoro Julius Chomwenu bayira Kitara TV aire mitwaro 10
yonka hasende
no I'm giving an example
you see but by na say
I'm giving an example
because tuzikolere ile
I'm giving an example indeed I'm feeling proud indeed I'm doing something for my kingdom
so that thing
but kandi tinja kumara kazihereza yo ninta kumanya hali zijja correct
which we are not sure after all those transactions we saw that leaked million bisatu million zinga
if personalities can say ebintu by'omukama no tunda public library no tunda ma premier no tunda tubireke ebindi but I'm telling you personalities ni batunde ebyo bintu
manager
ati kandi sente tujja kubasondera
manager tuwe magezi tutandike manager wanzo tuwe magezi tutandike by the do you have platforms for the kingdom
zero but they are dormant because a minister niwe updating this is what we are trying to show you
instead of hiring Kitara media to come and do for you digital marketing website updating our website na bikebi
this is what we are trying to show you
but kale manager how much do you need to be hired
no we placed our bid
to
get and we are going to pass
exactly now, since you're going to pass we expect something better we expect something better
do you know Kitara media yo gikenga kuremanyi urabuhura
owa mazina marungi owa mazina marungi
do we want it best
no mwikirwa
akimanyi
no mwikirwa akimanyi
tugenda okulochinga na
tukulochinga
omwikirwa akimanyi
the next
I'm told omwikirwa watched our videos that is documentary ziri twakozere for
is a doctor yes
and he was impressed but that is the simplest work it wakolere in a rush
we did it in
we didn't even give it time
so
when there was a convention abali mu US
the first edition
we took that contract that actually look at this the convention abanyoro ababali mu US it is just like an association tibali bayinge mono bukoso bamanyi bali kuli batito but these people paid us a lot of money obukama bakwendo bakole graphics na biki byona graphics bakusasule emitwalo 2 omuzini akusasule emitwalo 10 bino bintu byaitu bya Bunyoro I'm going to show you things here bino bintu bya Bunyoro tandikirawo to postingo but you're being paid money ezina genda media ozirire you want to use people voluntarily hello my friend nikyongambirege the era is coming 2 years we have a very good team from Twina Bulisa Twina Kibale last time I paid a visit last week in Kabago Kibaloko the great committee etwesere akanaka kaki kubandwa because we believe if you are to be in the doctors association you must be a doctor tiniko these people bali mu bukama to kunira they should be doing cultural things. Everything they should be knowing and evolved. Tineko, because everyone is learned. Na nyoka soma.
Baita atokina. Atokina katukuswekere muno. Akili sisewe wojatu atusora waitu yu.
Ati. Bandulizo portrait ndandai no kuiruka kyoka.
Arona portrait yetukuleta. Portrait.
Because omukama abaira
crown prince.
Omukama baatena kisane kirungi ekiri high quality nkoboraba Buganda abona kuna England. Kandi tukusobora mweka abo kuba ali kumita tetekerere kale. So ekyo crown prince kyo
tujja kutandika
crown prince alo. Kandi crown prince bojoka twigantu muzi crown prince kam kusobora. Omumanye. Aya zairo 2006. Omukama akugarukaho
the next king.
Bora urebigambo byona atinga aliyo taliyo.
Kyonga kandi n'abantu balina kikenga waitu basajja mpu. Nitu n'abagurusa abantu abakisinga y'okutumu Bunyoro. Abayina emikoro kweranga bayiraba mupangisa abagurusa.
Nitu abagurusa abantu.
So kwikiririza mu musajja mpu. About Julius now.
Kuba mugurusi gaba magezo myaka.
Doro. Kuba mugurusi abagurusa abantu.
Tubaire tukyatokera obukama. Hatileka tubanze turugeyo.
But we are not going to leave.
But manyesha ina washa record na kuteka makasente ati the make give ya chance. Leka mention ye.
Leka magambira awasha records. People.
You are what?
A producer wao aba double beats amot. Amot.
For a mention name.
Bunyoro. And kumsanga kijungao. Actually I visited the studio and I was proud to find out that it's a cool studio, cool environment, and there is no sound to interrupt the music. So when
bakora mastering inungi
bakire nesimu mugabagamba abantu
koze bugambo kunulira otunde washa
leka manze bazima kazina karikire yo katina inga
muteke mukiloza abaira baproduce
mbora nyine nkoro mura mutaseka. I love this song mbotokere mu reality okandeka mu target Mobinyenda halisti erimasti akakazi nako karugoko it's called Ibaka washa records tuinayo everything by anything by Figure West anything by Figure West tuinayo na
ebuzina bwengu
ebuzina bingi
nakala ngo Kitara Media Group kati finalize
alona ka nanka digitozi aka
ebizina bingi
amaso leko burango
Kitara Media Group ogole iroko
Kitara alokara nkanyumira honestly if you haven't given a try just visit and uja kwegoma na uja kwesanga ukoze freestyle mu studio time na lyrics you arabaye burabora
ati wa travel to Bunyoro bamanyire
travel to Bunyoro empako yanga atuoki wogenda Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any social media hand you're going to find yourself there or tukire empako. In fact bakuramza no kurambuza Bunyoro tujja byoburambuzi tuina tukuligamba batuguza kuzo batuhora hora tuina bingi just visit basajja mpungu
oboine ta
basajja mpunga jakwa nakugambira okataito agenda media zabo
atuokiwe okimanyire Bunyoro has 200 sites to visit
but
obokimanya
mbaita kimanyire
do you know the kingdom does not know about them.
The good thing we have Kitara Media Group which is going to publish these sites and we
I didn't get to gamba
if they give us the
because as we know last time we met chairman Peter Banura we showed him to outside the guy was of course he's going to be among them to now the mayor if the people in government are willing then why not the people abaki kwata now. We have Lord Mayor on board, we have Peter Banura on board, we have White Ono wewe Julius Njukiza wa chairperson ondona yagambye tweteraniza ayatweteraniza actually. But that campaign it was very amani muno because again
and even we are glad most of the hotels even are coming on board by the
way. We have many hotels on board.
But abakuti na mti mwina okurara burazi tuina week arono burazi yona tuina nebyo kuli ujumba kano mugo
bano mugambe gono onali wa muntu wa
muntu wa
lembo burazi
muntu wa mwetegereza
muntu wamu
oli musingi nikyo tukumanyisa
nduga masindi abatakimanye ndi nduga masindi tuketa bulanda batope abakiri andongo ati olulimi rwa utaranga ineo
this is the thing we are telling people.
No, the thing is intermarriages affect our languages by the way.
But we cannot stop it.
If you go in my history,
actually it is intermarriages to subject kwa santi kusisoro.
Yes, you can.
It is that entity twine kitukozele.
Because
do you know why Mururu will fight to learn Luganda? Do you know
because they think it is superior?
No, they have showed it to the world. It to be a meaning.
No
Organa wansomuntu no wakwijanta kwegomba there's nothing kumusindikiza kwegoruli
tubage tukyalo mburango
twangayo
about digital we have a drone by the way. If you want to see the aerial view of your occasion, you want to
that see
Kitara Media Group, you can come and talk to them. They get you that site and you nayo uja kwegomba kunu kwegomboroza. You feed your eyes and you feel manager. Mention tukagira ati sazi tujja kuhindura mu embaza yaitu lero topic tubage twenda kubaza hangozi cyonka bangaro ombuka
ngozi tuzibazaho muno
ngozi lero katwaza twatwale mu ngozi manager Julius nkamsaba mwene wabu ya munyo
ngozi
yagamba omusindi tali nakotera nzana wanga no tali nakotera nzana omugahya
abo kugambirege intermarriages sisoruli
ngutakwenda nsiso mwene wabo limi
takwenda sisorganya
abantu mubanze mungambye is it right for me to be denied love
baitu rasura kujumbo li namba
10 ambazi magali ehalingira lingi tongwatira msenge
waitu
achonuka
borano njya kwijja
ako mateka gaje tigaliga itu
ati ni gonuka sise wenyine
abagamba baba
yati sise kandi wakireta akazi waitu
sisa kwenda bana atungiro babira kubura babiri
ata waitu bachati wo gamba ihali lingi itu tugamba borano shakukiza ndo njya kuba namba 10 it is okay
atuokilora nyakagemu wenka.
You think that would be possible?
That is not possible.
It has to be possible. There is no that is not possible.
Kikaida
munwa ikino mura kidako tujakisibo muna kirekira okubazi.
Ogena no kuroka. Okwenda kuroka.
Ajabu kwata.
Baitu ngugambye. Amani gari. Amazi magari kabatuka tuli mga tukatulasome. Ati omanye ibintu byokubaza ngane mbazaga kubaza olujungu kusati manyero limiruni kyo kiba amanye mbanye munyo ngaba mutai wange genda aporo baba abaro.
Do you believe also mukuroga musaija ati amuroga
tiki namba iki kutanga muntu bwenzi?
No, like you don't believe in it.
I don't believe it. That one cannot help.
Why not? So you believe
amara gakole watigakoze but let's like muntu ayeta ayagende
okwegonde
nekalele someone gandi ayeta aye when you want to come back
abukuba nekyagenda ngaba yoteteri sabuni nti sabuni ejja kuwele
wala moja arakuletera nanga gingo yo
no
akugarulihe kagingo
ati wakakusanga oli vati
akakugarulihe kagingo
ano ati wa yiwo mnyoma nyeta kagingo abakubandizo batakikutekemo
kagingo ekirunga amazima gaba ngo bujonga kabyorobi utakageze kumanga likwano baratane
baitu tiri sabuni ti sabuni ejja kuwerera ndali akagitekeire maizera werera
manager kyawo kusangwa kiri kyawo kandi kiri kyawo
atira gaba rozibata TV vende kanza tubikingi
Lero bansingire mani bansigie ne banyura
sisi hakiri wabayi ndo kutusobona
singire mani.
Honestly, the truth is nizege ni manyanga ya kusanga usisi baita baramukize muno and she loves.
No, give us the list of about the queens.
The queens. Mumpake zabaireho biro 12 ku 10 omwezi gwa musenene we akabahe mpaka zobwa Nyarurungi wa Bunyoro, the queen
of 2022.
Miss 2022-2023 kandi ababaireho ayasingire Nyangoma Babura Moti ogwana rwa Kiryandongo ayamugarukiro bamweta
mwana kasinga
akasinga ayagarukiro bamweta Immaculate Hope Aboli
to do it. Weka kalisti yao
na kai.
Immaculate Hope Aboli.
Je kakase na nyoni nsoma yokani.
Serura. First runners up Immaculate Hope Aboli ayamugarukira ayabaye na ayamugwireho nwe Kanyunyuzi Charlotte Aboki.
First runners up Immaculate Mbabazi Hope. Second runners up Kanyunyuzi Charlotte
Aboki. And then abagenzira mu mpaka abayikire mu top 5 akabaho bamweto hoiba nijukira shukrani bamunyijukia amabara bojama
mbere manyire na yuga bakwini ati bagenzira boga kwebere you are in the same way you are in good come together okaba kalele 5 ya dondolera
abali
ndurana kisana
Ankuru excited kuliga manja konja kujuka baba.
But this are talking now.
Ati tukole tuti. Da travel to Bunyoro iteka events zone happening ire.
No bakebera website ya travel to.
Yeah. So alo link up.
Top 5 tukabayo no mwisiku wa Kagadi. The beautiful girl from Kagadi. Ya mondera akabanyowe we started.
No Kagadi bametoa.
Kusima Immaculate.
But here abantu bano ukaba nabo mbutuka mtu bamanyire mabaraga your fellow queens this rain eyanye yonja kuraninga kubake
ebikara bieba
abarozi bakativu bana kubaho kiro kino tubaire na twokina bada twokina maniga tukuzingira mani
amatu bangali bandego nyiziregendo ile banyimikizo ngo mtoto wange na nati kwenda garuka ikubya cyoka banyimire ko bange kundetere.
How is the experience here ubutaga no how have you found it?
The experience, whoever wants to join, please come join sibire ibiro bokwa bana bana.
Tabusobora.
Tekwa nango abantu as for Miss Talent, we are still ongoing. Tujya kwandika Bunyoro has got talent. Yes, Tomanya, we shall be having auditions for music, dance and drama. We shall be having auditions for poetry, different genres. If you have dancehall, if you have anything that falls in the performing arts, we shall be having the auditions. Abakwenda trainings. If in case you're interested, I love training infants. Abana batu. I love drama because I'm more in love with the infants because I got to train those ones from the grassroots. Nuko aimkira halamu singi kwa arts. Kandi omuzaida alo kwa kuturora otakitwarangu performing arts mutaina more. It has done nothing. Please, performing arts is the good cause. Nyonya Twaila University, I really love my course. Most people take it to be of a negativity. By the it is too much. At this time, it is performing arts taking it up.
And we are promoting cultures of Koreans, of China. Do you know why we will watch a movie in Chinese and we still enjoy it?
Because those people bring out reality.
Now this is the same thing we shall do. Become a book test the sentence. Turns up through your film Bunyoro.
I'm a writer, by the way. There's for writing. We are going to write those movies. Our manager Julius now at Adamwandiki. Manyire abasajja mpungu na wakorenga nikieza azimanyire strategist. Yes, he can, but twinirenga nikia twinayenga nikyo na mkaikuru nya Anet Senturo engadde ziro tujja kuzihandika so that abana baragenda twatwara go masomero abana basome bamanye nkoko bayisenkulo bakulize nyonka kuzwa isenkulo nyona nenkulo na banyina nabazaire bange baroke okana babona bakateka mamani so those things still valid kanzina kiamani kisongeraho hamwana kuligamba tuleko gamba bikaba byeira nangu bikusokuba byahati tusimire bwongerwa please subscribe comment drop in your comment baraba ansingire bagambe that woman is no woman
subscribing akongati kumara twenda no migana akadako no you know notifications that zona nozitungaga it is me Julius atokirora na pako until we meet again Kitara TV the little arguments mobile
home of Empako travel to Bunyoro Empako, travel to Bunyoro. Travel to Bunyoro.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.